You know, the Central Bank of Kenya and the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics today commissioned a study on foreign direct investment in Kenya's private sector overseas borrowing. A study by KNBS, CBK and Kenya Investment Authority will seek to collect information from enterprises in the country on their foreign assets and liabilities. Keitany explains.
In a report released early this year, the International Monetary Fund established that Kenya's private sector borrowing stood at 850 billion shillings. Today, the study on foreign direct investment was commissioned and is meant to quantify Kenya's private sector overseas borrowing. Central Bank of Kenya and Kenya National Bureau of Statistics says the data collected will allow authorities to update registers for carrying out surveys on cross-border financial transactions.
We are targeting 900 enterprises.
The two state agencies say statistics collected will be used to improve the quality of data for compilation. The research is expected to be conducted in October and results disseminated next February.
We expect long-term implications on economic growth and development, given that Kenya has significant trade links with Europe.
The Kenya National Bureau of Statistics has observed that data collectors and future foreign investment surveys previously conducted on an annual basis were leaving crucial information out.
We are guided by the Statistics Act to ensure that we protect individual information.
A recent report released by Ernst & Young showed that East Africa was the top recipient of FDIs across the continent at 27% of the total project. Keitany, KTN News.